Hello, you guys. Welcome back to um our dossier channel. Today we're gonna start with the dumbest creature in the island. Yes, the dodo bird, and we're gonna find what is the power of the dodo bird today. Stay tuned. Common name dodo. Species Rufus ruplicaire. Time late Holocene. Diet herbivore. Temperature oblivious. Some what? Oblivious. Correct me in the comments below if I said that wrong, please. Rufus ruplicaire, more commonly known as the dodo bird, is quite possibly the dumbest creature I've ever seen in my life. It wanders around the beaches of the island, eating berries of bushes and being eaten by manners of carnivores. Without the dodo, the whole island food chain would be disintegrated. This subspecies of dodos has developed an unbelievable clever way to sustain itself. They may constantly, I am fairly convinced that they reach full maturity within a week of being born. This is the only trait keeping them populous of the island. There is um there is almost no reason to domesticate a Rufus lassus. It cannot carry enough to be the beast of burden to show companionship. I suppose I could work. It could work. It could work as a last-ditch food source, though. Urukai. Oh, sorry, sorry, my tongue just went wild right there. Sorry for making a mistake. Okay, alright, guys, this is the end for the dossier. Thank you for watching. Bye.